Distinguished members of the press, fellow Lions and honored guests, I am thrilled to welcome you to the Lions Joint District Convention here in Ilorin, Kwara State between District 404B2 and District 404B3, Nigeria.
What we are doing here today is symbolic because we are having a joint district convention comprising of 2 districts.
And I can assure you that in the history of joint district convention, this is one of the easiest in terms of the planning, in terms of working together, in terms of managing each other's ego that I've seen in recent time.
The 2 districts covers about 6 to 8 states in Nigeria, and we have representatives from all of them. At this convention, we have a total of about 1,070 registrants, and we have a total of 115 clubs.
You can imagine the economic impact of what this will bring to Kwara State, Ilorin.
We are Lions Clubs International, a global service organization dedicated to making a positive impact in our communities. With over 1.4 million members in more than 200 countries, we are united in our commitment to serving humanity.
The theme for this convention is Serving in Harmony. We know that Kwara State is the state of harmony, so we are serving in harmony. And it's also significant because 2 districts are coming together. It's a sign that we are serving in harmony.
The theme of this convention, Serving in Harmony, it tells us who we are as a Lions. When you bring 2 districts together, serving in harmony, we said that yes, you can also have a kind of a synergy, a partnership, in unity and in love.
As Lions, we embody the values of kindness, compassion and service. We believe that by working together, we can achieve great things and make a real difference in the lives of others. Our members come from diverse backgrounds and professions, but we are united in our passion for service, which is the theme of our district governor, and our commitment to our communities to create a lasting impact.
Why we invite the press is that yes, Lions International, we did a lot, in serving humanity. But some of these things are not being dished out again to the world. And we are saying we need to also let you know what we are doing.
So what are the benefits of being a Lion? For one, you become a part of a global community of like-minded individuals who share our passion for service. You also have the opportunity to develop new skills, build lasting relationships, which this convention will foster, and gain leadership experience. As Lions, we also have the opportunity to participate in a wide range of activities for service, from vision to health screenings to disaster relief to environmental conservation. Our service programs are designed to address the unique needs of our communities, and we are proud of the impact we are making around the world.
We are a community-based organization, so every Lions Club belongs to a community.
We have a common saying that when there is a need, there's always a lion. So I can assure the gentlemen that yes, Lions were there to equally support the people who are less privileged in the society.
I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to our sister district, District 404B3, for accepting to partner with us for this unique joint district convention. Your support and collaboration are invaluable to us, and we look forward to continuing our work together to serve our communities. In closing, I invite you all, especially the members of the press that are here today, to join us in this journey of service and compassion. Together, we can make a real difference in the lives of others and create a lasting impact in our communities. Thank you, District Governor.